Okay, so for the PI, you go to this mainnet checklist, then you click on checklist. First of all, what I did two things. I changed my wallet, and also I used the forgot password method. So you can use those two things if your KYC is still pending or on tentative approval. So when you come here, this third step, confirm your wallet. Don't create wallet first. Start from the third step, confirm your wallet. So you come here and create a new wallet. That's if you want to change your wallet from the already existing wallet that you initially created before. You click on create a new wallet here, and they'll bring out some seed phrase, 24 of them. So make sure you write it down on a paper where it's safe, or you store it to your email or anywhere you can easily get it when necessary. So then you come here and retype the 24 words here and press confirm your wallet. So when it's confirmed, you now go back to your number 2. You understand? You confirm it first from number 3 and now go back to your number 2 step. Hold on. And so it will bring you to this place. So now what you are now going to do is that new wallet you created just now, you are now going to impute the new 24 word seed phrase here from the number 3 option and click on unlock with passphrase. So when you click on unlock with passphrase or unlock with fingerprint, is now going to take you to the new address. So here now I can just say unlock with fingerprints because mine is fingerprint. You understand? I used. So it will take you to your new wallet you created from number 3. You get? So that's how it is. The network is a bit slow. So it will take you here directly when you have finished imputing the 24 words phrase. So you can see now this is the new address that I created some days ago. You understand? And this is my balance. So you go back. So you go back to the 4th step. So because some steps might be omitted because you are trying to redo the checklist. So the ones that are not green, you make sure that you tap it. So for this lockup, please make sure it's on 25% for 2 weeks. If you go and press 3 years 100% or 200%, otilo, your PI will be locked for the next 3 years. So even if people are selling now, you can't sell. So just leave it at 25% for 2 weeks and you press commit, so it will be automatically saved. But if you already locked it up before, it cannot be edited. But for persons that have not gone through the commitment stage before, then you can leave it at 25% for 2 weeks, which means that it is going to be locked for 2 weeks. 25% of it is going to be locked and 75% is going to be released to your available balance. Then after the 2 weeks, the 25% you locked will now be open for you to sell. So that's this part. Please let it not be more than 2 weeks, except you don't want to sell, or except you are using it as a fixed deposit for your future. Then also when you are done with the lockup, then this secure your account, if it's already signed before, is fixed. Then you now come in here to sign acknowledgement to receive tokens. So when you sign acknowledgement to receive tokens, you now impute the new address you created and click on sign. So I've already signed it. As you can see, this is a recent date. That was on the 9th of February. I resigned this document. So you click on it and sign. Then so when you're done signing, to take you 24 hours after you've changed the wallet address to sign this acknowledgement document again. So you wait. If you're signing it doing it today, you have to wait till tomorrow, probably by this time, to resign the acknowledgement document. then you see submit your KYC, you see the steps, then this might turn to green, or it might still be orange. So if this method doesn't work, the second method I used was that I went to my profile session. So I went to my profile session. So this profile session, make sure that all of these things are ticked. So you'd verify with your phone number, the phone number that you used to sign in for the PI. If you signed in with phone number, but if you sign in with Facebook, that's also fine. But if you've not added phone number, you can also add your phone number and to tick here. So when adding phone number, what happens is that please make sure that the SIM you use to register the PI is on a phone, preferably the phone you are using to do this verification, because it's going to be prompting you to send an SMS to a US number. So what I did is that I saved the number like a contact and I sent the code. So they remove like 30 to 40 naira or network SMS charges, and it will be automatically verified. So you can also verify with your Facebook, with your email, with your then you can also update your password. So if that still doesn't work, then you can go ahead to sign out and sign in. So this last process is signing out. So in the case where you're now signing out, for instance, okay, let's say sign in with phone number. So you sign in with the number, you understand, sign in with the phone number. Then okay, then here now for the password, even if you know the password, it's just like a plan B. You can come here and click on forgotten password. So they will say forgot your password, no worries, your Mind PI is not lost. You can use the button below to start recovering your account. So if you want to, you now say recover account. So they will tell you to put in your country, then the phone number again, then you press submit, right? So now it's going to show this test verification code. So you click on open SMS, you understand, prepare to send SMS, then you open SMS. So if the SIM, you understand, if the SIM now is on this number, like I said, so you see messages, you see it will take me directly to the messages, you see the code. So I'm not going to be sending the code because I am not trying to recover my account. But if that's the case, you'd have to send this code, this 307828, send it, you understand, see the code I've been sending since before they finally open the account. So you save the US number like a contact before you send the code, you get. So that other method can work. Then they'll prompt you to put in your new password, confirm the password, then you go back to the login page, input your phone number and your new password and log in. So those are the two methods that you can use to actually pass that stage. So I hope that helps you. Thank you. Please guys, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.